What if I told you there are revolutionary tools waiting for you at jaw-dropping prices this November? Don't blink, because we're about to unveil some of Amazon's most enticing early deals. We've got the inside scoop on the best tool deals of 2024. From power drills to saws, we're uncovering unbeatable discounts that will elevate your toolkit without breaking the bank. Hit that like button if you love saving money, subscribe for more amazing deals, and let's get started on scoring those must-have tools. Amazon Early Black Friday Best Tool Deals of 2024. Bosch 12-volt Brushless FlexiClick Drill. The Bosch 12-volt Brushless FlexiClick Drill, now 35% off, priced at $149, down from $229. This versatile 5-in-1 drill features attachments like a keyless chuck and locking bit holder, making it perfect for high-torque tasks and precision drilling. Its EC brushless motor provides 300 Nm of torque and a max speed of 750 RPM, ensuring excellent performance for demanding jobs. Compact and lightweight, it's ideal for tight spaces with a right-angle adapter that rotates to 16 positions without removal. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a pro, this tool delivers durability, power, and convenience. Bosch 18-volt Brushless Circular Saw. The Bosch 18-volt Brushless Circular Saw, now 21% off, priced at $158, down from $199. Designed for professionals, it boasts a powerful motor with 5,000 RPM and a 50 degrees bevel range, with detents for precision cuts. Weighing just 6.1 pounds, it's compact and ergonomic, ensuring effortless handling during extended use. The saw features visible depth gauges for easy adjustments and an electronic brake for safety. Ideal for demanding cutting tasks, its efficiency and reliability make it a must-have for any job site. Bosch 12-volt Starlock Oscillating Multi-Tool. The Bosch 12-volt Starlock Oscillating Multi-Tool, now 30% off, priced at $69, down from $99. Compact and lightweight, this versatile tool handles flush cutting, plunge cutting, sanding, and grinding with ease. It's powered by an EC brushless motor and offers an adjustable speed range of 5,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute for precise control. The 2.8-degree oscillating arc increases productivity, while Starlock compatibility ensures a wide range of accessories. Perfect for professionals and DIYers, it's a powerhouse for various tasks. DeWalt 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit. The DeWalt 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit, now 34% off, priced at $599, down from $1,049. This comprehensive set includes 9 essential tools such as a drill, impact driver, circular saw, reciprocating saw, and more. Each tool is powered by a 20V max system, offering impressive power and runtime. With features like quick blade changes, ergonomic designs, and LED lighting, this kit is perfect for tackling a wide range of projects. Whether you're a pro or a hobbyist, this all-in-one set delivers exceptional value and versatility. DeWalt 20V Max XR Cordless Reciprocating Saw. The DeWalt 20V Max XR Cordless Reciprocating Saw, now 32% off, priced at $149, down from $219. Compact and lightweight at just 5 pounds, it's designed to fit into tight spaces for maximum versatility. The keyless 4-position blade clamp allows quick blade changes, while a 1/8 stroke length and variable speed trigger deliver up to 2,900 SPM for precise cuts. Equipped with an LED light for improved visibility, it's ideal for demanding jobs in dark or cramped environments. DeWalt 12-volt Max Laser Level. The DeWalt 12-volt Max Laser Level, now 31% off, priced at $213.38, down from $309. This self-leveling laser delivers precise horizontal and vertical cross lines for leveling and layout tasks. Powered by a 12-volt lithium-ion battery, it offers extended runtime and recharging convenience. The durable IP65 rated housing provides resistance to water and debris, while the integrated magnetic bracket ensures secure attachment to metal surfaces. Perfect for professional use, it combines precision, durability, and efficiency in one reliable tool. DeWalt Sliding Compound Miter Saw. The DeWalt Sliding Compound Miter Saw, now 38% off, priced at $399, down from $639. Featuring a 12-inch blade and stainless steel detent plate with 10 positive stops, it ensures accurate cuts every time. The saw supports 6 to 3/4 inch vertical base cuts and bevels both left and right up to 48 degrees. Dual horizontal steel rails and linear ball bearings provide durability and precision. With a camlock miter handle for quick adjustments, this saw is ideal for woodworking projects that demand accuracy and efficiency. DeWalt table saw for job sites. The DeWalt table saw for job sites now 29% off, priced at $299, down from $419. This compact yet powerful table saw features an 8¼ blade driven by a robust 15-amp motor, delivering 5,800 RPM for fast, precise cuts. Onboard storage keeps accessories organized, while the guide bar system ensures quick adjustments. Built for durability, it's perfect for job sites and workshop use, handling a variety of cutting applications with ease. Dremel 4300 Rotary Tool Kit. The Dremel 4300, now 20% off, priced at $99.98, down from $124.99. This premium rotary tool kit includes the high-performance 4300, 5 attachments, 40 accessories, and a storage case. With a powerful motor delivering 5,000 to 35,000 RPM and electronic feedback, it ensures consistent performance for demanding tasks. The universal 3-jaw chuck supports all Dremel shank sizes, while the pivoting light illuminates hard-to-reach areas. Its innovative airflow system prevents overheating for smooth, quiet operation, and replaceable brushes extend the tool's life, ideal for versatile crafting and precision work. SKIL 15-amp Portable Jobsite Table Saw. The SKIL 15-amp table saw, now 10% off, priced at $269, down from $299. This portable saw features rack and pinion fence rails for smooth, accurate cuts and a folding stand for easy transport. It offers 4x4 cutting capacity at 90 degrees and bevels from 2 degrees to 47 degrees, with quick stops at 0 degrees and 45 degrees. The parallel blade alignment ensures precision, and the dust port elbow simplifies cleanup. Built for power and portability, it's a reliable choice for job sites or workshops. SKIL Router Combo. The SKIL Router Combo, now 20% off, priced at $190, down from $149. This powerful 14-amp, 2.5 HP router offers both fixed and plunge bases for versatility. Its speed control LCD display suggests optimal settings, while electronic feedback maintains consistent RPMs during use. The soft start feature ensures safe operation, and a live tool indicator enhances safety. Perfect for precision woodworking, it's a user-friendly tool with exceptional power and control. SKIL Corded Jig Saw. The SKIL Corded Jig Saw, now 22% off, priced at $39, down from $49.99. This efficient saw features a 4-stage orbital function for smooth cuts and a dust-blowing switch for clear visibility. Its quick-adjust bevel allows angled cutting without tools, and the tool-free blade clamp enables fast blade changes. With a halo light offering 10x more brightness, it ensures precise cuts in any workspace. Lightweight and versatile, it's ideal for various materials and applications. SKIL Core 20 Brushless Nailer Kit. The SKIL Core 20 Nailer Kit, now 25% off, priced at $149, down from $199. This cordless brad nailer includes a 2.0 battery, USB-C charger, and 100 nails. It drives up to 1,000 nails per charge and offers high power with minimal ramp-up time. Features like dual LED lights, quick depth adjustment, and a dry fire lockout enhance precision and safety. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for tight spaces and extended use. Husqvarna 150 BT Gas Leaf Blower. The Husqvarna 150 BT, now 20% off, priced at $279, down from $349.99. This powerful gas leaf blower features a 51cc, 2.16 HP engine delivering 765 CFM at 270 mph per hour. Its ergonomic harness and hip belt ensure comfort during prolonged use, while the air purge system allows quick starts. With reduced emissions and improved fuel efficiency, it's perfect for heavy-duty yard maintenance or clearing debris. Husqvarna Power Axe 350i Chainsaw. The Husqvarna Power Axe 350i, now 21% off, priced at $379, down from $479.99. This cordless electric chainsaw offers superior cutting power, lasting sharpness with an X-cut chain, and a toolless tensioning system. Its brushless motor ensures efficiency and quiet operation, while boost mode delivers 25% more power when needed. Ideal for demanding tasks, it's lightweight and easy to use with a reliable 40-volt lithium-ion battery. CRAFTSMAN V20 Max Cordless Drill. The CRAFTSMAN V20 Max cordless drill, now 34% off, priced at $99, down from $149. This set features a drill with 280 UWO power and a driver offering 460 Nm torque. The 2-speed gearbox supports versatile applications, while LED lights improve visibility in dark spaces. Compact and ergonomically designed, it's perfect for tight spaces and extended tasks, delivering power and comfort. Bosch Palm Sander. The Bosch Palm Sander, now 33% off, priced at $52.99, down from $79. This compact yet powerful tool delivers a smooth finish with its pad dampening system, ensuring swirl-free surfaces. Its variable speed control, 7,500 to 12,000 OPM, matches speed to the task for precise sanding. The hook and loop attachment system makes pad changes quick and easy. Featuring a microfilter dust collection system, it traps particles as small as a half micron, keeping your workspace clean. Durable and lightweight, this kit includes a sanding pad, dust canister, vacuum adapter, and carrying bag, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. Makita Compact Router. The Makita Compact Router, now 38% off, priced at $107.45, down from $188. This high-performance tool offers precision with its smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment and variable speed control, 10,000 to 30,000 RPM. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, while the quick-release cam lock allows for fast depth adjustments. The soft start and electronic speed control maintain consistency under load. Perfect for intricate work, it includes a fixed base compatible with industry standard guides. Ideal for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts, this router combines versatility, durability, and unmatched performance at a competitive price. Metabo HPT Cordless Plunge Router. The Metabo HPT Cordless Plunge Router, now 40% off, priced at $149, down from $249. As the first cordless plunge router, this award-winning tool delivers remarkable versatility and portability. With a powerful 36-volt motor, it routes up to 46 feet per minute, even through hardwoods. Weighing just 6.9 pounds, it's lightweight yet robust. Compatible with any 18-volt 36-volt multi-volt battery, it also offers corded capability for continuous runtime. Featuring a smooth plunge action and impressive speed, this router is an essential upgrade for serious craftsmen. Metabo HPT 36-volt multi-volt belt sander. The Metabo HPT multi-volt belt sander, now 24% off, priced at $127.97, down from $169. Offering the power of a corded model, it features 6 variable speed settings for maximum application control. Its ergonomic design minimizes fatigue during prolonged use, while the auto mode adjusts speed based on load for quieter, smoother operation. The brushless motor ensures efficiency, extended runtime, and long-lasting durability. Compatible with multi-volt batteries or an optional AC adapter, this sander is ideal for heavy-duty tasks and professional-level results. Flex Stack Pack Storage System. The Flex Stack Pack, now 22% off, priced at $109 and down from $139.99. Designed for durability and convenience, this storage system features impact-resistant plastic with aluminum-reinforced corners to protect your tools. Interlocking quick connect fasteners allow for customizable organization, while gas struts keep the box lid open for easy access. With a removable telescopic handle and rugged 23-centimeter wheels, transporting tools is effortless. This system is perfect for construction professionals needing reliable, portable storage that stands up to tough job site conditions. Greenworks 3000 TruBrushless Electric Pressure Washer. The Greenworks 3000 TruBrushless Pressure Washer, now 33% off, priced at $299.99 and down from $449.99. Featuring a 14-amp TruBrushless motor, it delivers 3,000 psi and 2.0 GPM for top-tier cleaning power. Its rugged design includes a cast aluminum pump and a 25 feet kink-resistant hose. With JetFlow technology and multiple nozzles, it offers unmatched versatility for washing tasks. PWMA certified for reliable performance, this pressure washer combines power, durability, and eco-friendly operation for effective outdoor cleaning. Greenworks 40-volt 21-inch brushless cordless lawnmower. The Greenworks 40-volt 21-inch lawnmower, now 25% off, priced at $337.46, down from $449.95. This self-propelled mower provides up to 45 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Its brushless motor ensures quiet operation, high torque, and extended durability. The 7-position height adjustment and 3-in-1 capabilities, mulching, bagging, side discharge, make it adaptable to various lawns. With vertical storage for space saving and zero maintenance requirements, this eco-friendly mower is a must-have for efficient yard care. Greenworks 40-volt cordless brushless leaf blower. The Greenworks 40-volt cordless leaf blower, now 20% off, priced at $259.99, down from $269.99. Equipped with turbo and variable speed control, it offers on-demand power up to 185 mph per hour and 340 CFM of airflow. Powered by TruBrushless motor technology, it delivers superior torque and extended motor life. Lightweight and easy to use, this blower makes yard cleanup effortless and quiet, ideal for tackling leaves, debris, and more with precision and efficiency. Greenworks 80-volt brushless string trimmer. The Greenworks 80-volt string trimmer, now 20% off, priced at $183.20, down from $29. This powerful trimmer boasts a brushless motor for high torque and extended life. With a 16-inch cutting path and dual-line bump feed, it handles tough grass and weeds with ease. The variable speed trigger provides precise control, while its lightweight design ensures comfort during extended use. Maintenance-free and eco-friendly, this tool is perfect for maintaining a pristine yard effortlessly. These 25 early Black Friday tool deals on Amazon bring unmatched savings and quality to your workshop. Whether you're tackling professional jobs or home improvement projects, these tools are designed to deliver precision, performance, and durability. With limited time discounts, now is the perfect time to invest in your toolkit or pick out a thoughtful gift for the DIYer in your life. Ready to upgrade your toolbox? Click the links in our review to shop Amazon's early Black Friday tool deals and secure the best discounts before they're gone.